In this lecture, we have to find the nth derivative of y is equal to 2x plus 3 whole to the power 3 into e to the power x. We have to find nth derivative of y is equal to 2x plus 3 whole cube into e to the power x. Now again here, there is a product of two functions. The first function is 2x plus 3 whole to the power 3 and the second function is e to the power x. We know that by Leibniz theorem, nth derivative of uv, which is equal to un into v plus n into un minus 1 v1 plus n into n minus 1 upon 2 un minus 2 v2 plus n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 upon 6 un minus 3 v3 and so on. So let us give it equation number 2. Here again, since the nth derivative of e to the power x, nth derivative of e to the power x is e to the power x, and the fourth derivative of 2x plus 3 whole to the power 3 is 0. Therefore, we consider e to the power x is the first function u and 2x plus 3 whole to the power 3 is the function v. Since nth derivative of u is not equal to 0 and nth derivative of v is 0, means 2x plus 3 whole to the power 3 is 0. Therefore, e to the power x is considered as u and 2x plus 3 whole cube is considered as v. Now, let us find the nth derivative of e to the power x. So, nth derivative of e to the power x is nothing but e to the power x, and we write down v as it is 2x plus 3 whole to the power 3. Next thing is un minus 1, and first we have to find out n un. Second, we have to find un minus 1. We have to just put n is equal to n minus 1. Since this term is free from n, so we will get the nth derivative is e to the power x, n minus 1 derivative is e to the power x, and v1 is, what is the derivative of 2x plus 3 whole to the power 3? It is 6, means 2x plus 3 whole cube. What is its derivative? Its derivative is nothing but 3 times of 2x plus 3 whole to the power 3 minus 1 into again derivative of 2x plus 3, which can be written as 3 times of 2x plus 3 whole square, and derivative of 2x plus 3 is nothing but 2. 2 into 3, which is equal to 6. So now its value is 6 times of 2x plus 3 whole cube, sorry, whole square. Similarly, what is the n minus 2 derivative, which is again a e to the power x? What is the derivative of it? 6 times of 2x plus 3 whole square. So 6 to the 12 and 6 to the 12, 12 to the 24 and 2x plus 3 whole to the power 1. Similarly, un minus 3, which is equal to e to the power x, and v3 equal to 48. And now if we again differentiate it, v4 will be 0, so no need to take the next differentiation. Now we have to put all these values in the equation number 2. What is the value of un? Un is nothing but e to the power x to the nth derivative of x square e to the power x. No, it is not x square. It is 2x plus 3 whole cube e to the power x. This is its value. Now, what is the nth derivative of e to the power x? It is nothing but e to the power x. And then v. V is what? V is 2x plus 3 whole cube. So e to the power x into 2x plus 3 whole cube. Next term, n. So we will write down n as it is. Un minus 1 is nothing but e to the power x. And v1 is 6 times of 2x plus 3 whole square. Next term, n into n minus 1 upon 2. We have written the same term over here. Un minus 2 is e to the power x. V2 is nothing but 24 into 2x plus 3 plus n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 upon 6. Un minus 3 is nothing but e to the power x, and v3 is 48. And if you again take the v4, it will be 0, so the remaining term will be 0. No need to write down the remaining term. All term After that will become 0. Let us simplify this one. E to the power x, 2x plus 3 whole cube. E to the power x we have taken outside because it is common in each and every term. Just look here, e to the power x, e to the power x, e to the power x. We have taken e to the power x common. 2x plus 3 whole cube is remaining in the first part. Here 6n and 2x plus 3 whole square. Now this 2 and this 2 will be cancelled. It is 24 divided by 2 is 12. Therefore, it will be 12n into n minus 1 and 2x plus 3. And the last part, the 6 1 just 6. 6 adds a 48. Therefore, it is n minus 1 into n minus 2. So nth derivative of, what is the nth derivative of this function? 2x plus 3 whole cube into e to the power x is nothing but e to the power x 2x plus 3 whole times of 2x plus 3 whole cube plus 6 and 2x plus 3 whole square plus 12n into n minus 1 2x plus 3 plus 8n n minus 1 into n minus 2. This is the nth derivative of the given function. Thank you.